So here we have a precision 66-in-1 screwdriver set. Now this is an electric rechargeable screwdriver set with 3 LED lights. So it also comes in a super convenient carrying storage case. Everything is in here, the screwdriver and all the pieces, and it's a very thorough set. So it's all magnetically stored and secured, and it's hard shell case. You open it by pressing in and releasing, and there it is. So you have all your bits and heads. You have each head listed in order. This way you know exactly what goes where. Here you have listings on each one. You have extra long ones. This way you could reach in there. More extra long ones. So the variety of pieces is, it's pretty much got all the screwdrivers and fastener heads that you could think of and that probably are available. Some of these I never even heard of before, but of course you have the Phillips, the flat, the Star, you have Torex, T1, T2 to T4, you have T5H to T10H, SQO, SQ1, SQ2, I never even heard of those. You have U 2.0, MID, SIM. I mean, I never even heard of these, but yet it's all in this case, and it comes with the rechargeable USB cable. It comes with this work mat, which has a small grid on here. This way you have your mat down, and when you remove your bits, you could easily store them and they won't slide or fall away. So that's convenient. Now they store magnetically so that when you place it in the holder, it catches and secured. So they're all easily pulled out, but yet they do not fall out, shake, rattle, or roll. So that keeps it all together. And here is the main operation of the unit, and it's about thick like a marker, bigger than a pen, and it's got 3 buttons. So you have your tightening and loosening forward and backwards, and you also have this light button which activates the USB. So if you're in somewhere tight and dark, a smaller space, this helps you see with no problem. And of course, you slide your bit in. So let's take a typical flathead. You slide it in, it's secured, and operation forward and back. You need a light, forward and back. You need to operate, let's say here, forward and back. Super convenient light. It's ergonomic. It's got good grip because of the octagon shape. Here you have the port to recharge it. When you're done with your bit, slide it back in this convenient case. Turn off the light. You place this down, it won't roll around. You stand it up. Got your charging your little magnetic work mat. And to put it away, it slides into a hole here. So, and conveniently folds away. It's not going to fall out. Very secure. You slide it into its hard shell case, and you can hear it click right in. It won't slide out by mistake, slam, everything goes all over the place. That is just not going to happen with this hard shell case. So this is a cool precision screwdriver case. And if you're in the field of working on electronics, small devices, this is a great kit to have on hand, easily storable. Put this in any toolbox, any drawer, in a bag, take it on the go, keep it at home on the shelf. This is a great product, and this is the 66-in-1 precision screwdriver set.